Right, this is a Solo Dallas Schaffer Replica Storm. This is the guts, and I bought this second hand. Brand new, by the way. They are 189 quid at Andertons. A bit cheaper at Toman. Wow, that's a lot cheaper. Anyway, so I used it for a while, and then somebody else used it, and they wanted to use it with the battery. But the problem is, when they put the battery, this is a fully charged battery, by the way, it didn't work. So anyway, so I got this back, and I thought, well, what's happened here then? Not that I've ever tried it with a battery, ever, so I wouldn't know whether it worked in the first place. So anyway, so here's where the battery terminal connects here. Let's have a look at those terminals there, which is, sorry, these terminals here. And look at that. They are connected. I don't know if you can see that there, look. They are connected. So when this was soldered, it's kind of like, I don't know, bodged the two together, the two terminals together, which basically is shorting the battery. So I'm just going to switch this off and resume after I fix this, so I can show you that indeed that is the issue. And I can't believe that for, you know, nearly 200 quid for a flipping pedal, a glorified compressor pedal I might add, you get that kind of workmanship. Okay, so I kind of repaired that, and you can see there, that's no longer shorted out. Battery's in, connected, switcher on. There you go. Now it works with a battery. Can't believe that. I know. I mean, sometimes it happens because when they solder these, it's done on a machine. You know, it's mass produced. But you'd think there'd be somebody checking them, at least eyeballing them, even if they're not physically checking them. But obviously this one wasn't. This one slipped through. Sometimes that happens.